Okay, let's check together. Before checking the answer, let's go over the volume of the formula. Cylinder volume is base area times height, but base area is a circle. Base is a circle, so we need to find circle area, which is pi r square. So cylinder volume will be pi r square times height. And cone volume is exactly same as cylinder volume. So this is a cylinder volume. So cylinder volume times 1/3. But when they have same radius, same height, not all the cylinder, when they have a same radius, same height, then cylinder volume times 1/3. Why? Three cones make one cylinder. Now not cylinder, sphere. Sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Again, B-Day students, I'm gonna go over this one before the test. Now, let's come back. One more time. How we find the cone volume? Cone volume is 1/3 times pi r square times height. And that part is cylinder volume. And what is a cylinder volume in this case? 66. So how can I find it? 1/3 times 66. That's the same meaning as 66 over 1. How we multiply fraction? Numerator multiplication, so 66, over denominator multiply, so 3. And that is same meaning as division. So that's same meaning as 66 divided by 3. So 22. So what's the volume for a coin? 22 cubic feet. That's how we do. I'm gonna go over another question. You can use calculator. If you don't have a calculator, go to this website, Desmos. Desmos scientific calculator. If you type it, it will pop up. Say we have sphere. Say radius is 5 centimeter. What is the volume? Now calculate this one. Formula for this sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Again, if you don't have a calculator, go to Desmos. And what is its volume to the nearest cubic centimeters? A, 256, B, 523. Let's go for 4. C, 655. D, 125. If you get the right answer, you will get thumbs up. If your answer is wrong, I give you a cry emoji. Again, you just need to use this formula. I'm gonna give you 2 more minutes. Okay. I think let's do it together. Again, formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. So in this case, as I said, radius was 5. So what do we need to do? You just need to type it. When you type on the calculator, you need to type it 4 times, actually 4/3. So 4 divided by 3 times pi times 5 cubed. If you don't know how to type this, then you type 4 and you click this division and times, instead of pi, again, pi is around 3.14. So you don't know where to find the pi on the calculator, you can just type 3.14 instead of finding pi on the calculator. And then times, you don't know how to type 5 cubed, just do this. 5 times 5 times 5. So 123.33333. Since we use 3.14, that's why it's a little bit off. But answer will be nearest, closest to 1. So B. Now I'm gonna do exactly same question because only one person correct. Let's do this. 7 centimeter. Everyone retry it. If it's a 7 centimeter, what's gonna be this answer? Desmos here. Desmos.
Let's go.
Again, if your answer is correct, you would get thumbs up. If you get cry emoji, answer is not correct. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute and then let's check. Okay, let's check the answer. One more time. I'm gonna share my decimals.
Hey yo, sorry I'm late.
No worries. All right. Again, this time is radius is a 7. So I will show you. Radius is a 7. So 4 divided by 3. And you need to move the cursor. If you keep typing here, then you will get wrong answer. So you need to move the cursor and times pi, or you can write it 3.14 times 7 cubed. If you don't know how to type 7 cubed, you can type 7 times 7 times 7. Then you will get 1436. 1436. That's how we use a calculator. So nearest one, closest one, that will be D. So D will be answer. Now, another type will be something like this. Let's say now let's say we have this. There are many cylinders with a height of 10 inches. Let represent the radius in inches and represent the volume in the cubic inches. Now, the question could give you this table. Now, and maybe first question, find the each volume and write it pi as a pi. One more time. You need to find the cylinder volume that had height is 10 inches. Fill out this table, meaning that when radius is a 1 inch, what's the volume? When radius is 2 inches, what's the volume? When radius is 3 inches, what's the volume? Again, question said, use pi as pi, meaning you cannot round up to 3.14. You just keep writing pi. Now try to find this question. If you do not understand whatever I'm asking, let me know. We're gonna do maybe one or
I
two
don't
together.
understand.
Okay, then let's do maybe first one together. One more time. Height is 10. And when radius is 1, what's the volume of the cylinder? That's what they're asking. First, how we find the volume for cylinder? Pi r square times h. But h is a 10 in this case. Now, first one, radius is 1. Then what's the volume? Pi times 1 square times 10, which is 10 pi. Emma, do you understand?
Yeah, maybe.
Now,
I don't know.
when radius is 2, when radius is 3, what's the volume?
Do I put it in the chat or do I just tell you?
Uh, Type in the chat. Pi, if you cannot type it, write in this way. Pi. Yes. Which part, Chris? Which part you want me to repeat? Oh, find a blank. Find a blank. That's what I said, Chris.
Mr. TK, did I get it right?
That's the third one?
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Hey, Mr.
Go!
TK.
Yes.
I put mine in the chat for you. All right.
Not correct. Oh, you
Dang.
change your no. Okay, both of them not correct.
Dang it.
Now, whoever finished this table question, now I'm gonna change the problem. This is a different problem. Whoever finished this question, try it. This is extra. If the volume of the cylinder is 360 pi, when height is 10 feet, what's the radius? Now, whoever finished number one, try this extra question. Volume of the cylinder is 360 pi. And height is 10 feet. What's the radius?
Boy, what?
Oh, yeah. That was quick. That was quick. Okay. Brianna, I will give you challenge problem. Try this.
I don't get the extra question.
Yes, I will help you out. 1 second. One second. I need to make it up. Now, Brianna, try this one. Cheronica, can you tell me which answer? Number this one or this one? 1 or 2? Oh, extra bottom. Okay. Let's go over together. Let's go over together. Some of you got a right answer. Some of you got wrong answer. Let's do it together. It's fine. It's fine. Let's go over together. Again, radius is 2. And how we find the volume? One more time. How we find the cylinder volume? Base area times height. But base is a circle, so pi r squared times height. But height is given. Height is 10. Then how we find the volume? Pi times 2 square times 10. Remember PEMDAS, we need to do exponent first. 2 square, meaning 2 times a 2. 2 times a 2, 4. So pi times 4 times 10, which is a 40 pi. Now third one, pi times 3 cube, not cube, 3 square, times a 10, which is pi times 9 times a 10, which is 90 pi. Now the bottom one, volume of the cylinder is 360 pi and height is 10 feet. The question asking radius. Okay. I understand why, Teronica, you said 1130.4. I get it why you said it, because you plug it in 3.14 and calculate it. But the question was asking radius. The question asking radius. So we need to figure out what's the radius. One more time. Yes, but good try. Volume of the cylinder is base area times height, which is pi r square times height. Again, during the test, I will provide you this formula, so don't worry about too much. But you need to know how to use it. Right now, that's equal to 360 pi. And what is height? It says 10. So pi times r square times a 10 equal to 360 pi. What is this? Solving equation. We already learned it last unit. I'm going to simplify this part. That's a 10 pi times r square equal to 360 pi. I'm going to divide by pi to both sides. Then 10 r square equal to 360. Now I'm going to divide by 10 to both sides. Then r square equal to 36.
What question is this?
There was a bottom one that you asked me. This one that you asked me. Now, what times what? One number square is a 36. 1 square is a 1. 2 square is a 4. 3 square is a 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is a 25. 6 square is a 36. So radius will be 6. Because 6 times 6 is 36. So radius will be 6. That would be a hard question. Now, you guys good up to here, or I need to wait a little bit? Send me a message. If you need to write something, let me know. Okay, I will give you a minute. Yes, because the question was the given that height is a 10 feet. So we change height into 10. If the height was 20, then turn into 20. If height was 5, then turn into 5. It really depends on the given information. It depends on the problem. But the question said height is 10 feet. That's why that turned into 10. Not all the time. This case. Now I'm gonna change my screen. Now I'm gonna rewrite all this. The when it's 1, there was a 10 pi, and 2, there was a 40 pi, and there was 90 pi. Now, second question. Is it linear relationship? Between radius and volume? And explain. I'm gonna wait a few minutes. One more time. Between radius and volume, is there any linear relationship between them? If yes, why? If no, why? Explain. Oh. Anyone get the idea? What am I asking, or not really? Send me a message, everyone. I have no idea what are you talking about.
What are we doing right now?
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Mr.
That's
TK,
fine.
I'm slightly confused.
Yes, that's totally fine.
I'm
literally
super
confused
confused.
about everything, bro.
Okay. We're gonna go over together. Anyone remember what is a linear relationship? What's a linear equation?
I don't know linear.
I literally forgot about
If-
the
if-
linear
if you
relationship,
say-
bro. Like literally.
If you say I don't remember
Me
Yeah.
too, DJ. Me too.
that we work on linear relationship for 2 months, guys. Okay, let's
I'm
go
so sorry.
over
I'm literally
together.
just like
Hey.
so
That's fine.
sorry right
Yes.
now.
I
but
forgot, okay?
I
Okay.
completely
Bro,
forgot.
TK, we're cooked.
That's
Mr.
fine.
TK, can
We're
you
so
let us
cooked,
use a
we're
little
so
bit of our
cooked, bro.
notes for the test?
Like we're all so cooked right now.
Okay.
Real.
One more time. I'm gonna put this formula sheet on the screen. So you can use this formula. So don't worry too much. Note. I will think about it. Because tests will be hard. So possibly this test, possibly. So today material, write it down somewhere neatly. Possibly, I cannot guarantee, but possibly you can use a note. Because you guys join this meeting, you need to have some advantage. So yeah, positively, I will think about it. So write it down this in your note. By the way, linear relationship, meaning they have same rate. For example, x and y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, x increased by 1. Say y increase, y was... Yes, oh, I will go back, Ariana. Just after this, I will go back, okay? Don't worry about it. Y is 2. y is a 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, is this linear or no? Everyone send me a message. If you
Yes.
no idea,
Yes. Yes.
thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a linear
Because it's going
because
right. Yeah.
Yes. Because it's
Yeah,
even.
at a constant
It's because it's
rate.
even and it's times 6.
Right, like it continues at a constant rate of 1 for the x, but for the y, it's at a constant rate of 2.
exactly. DJ just explained perfectly. X
Thank
increased
you.
by 1 and y increased by 2, constant rate, meaning that the slope is rise over run. This is a rise, this is a run. So slope will be 2 over 1, 2. So they have a same slope for every single part. So it is linear. So when you want to know it is linear or not, you just need to check they increase on the same rate. Increase by 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Increase by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Increase by 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then it is linear. Now, come back. Don't say your answer. Think about this one. Is this linear? Now you can answer. Everyone send me a message. Don't say anything. Is this linear or no? Oh, wait, guys. I sent you wrong emoji. All of you, I'm gonna resend you emoji. Whoever sent me the answer all correct. My bad. All of you, I gave you a crying emoji, but it was correct. So answer is, okay, everyone got correct answer. Answer is no. Why? Increase by 1, increase by 1, but this one increased by 30 pi, increased by 50 pi. Hence, they don't have a same rate. So it is not linear. Good job. By the way, it will be
Does
on
it
the
have
test.
to be? Does it have to be even on both sides?
What do you mean by even on the both side?
Like on the radius, like what if it's going by like 3 and the other side's going by like 30? Can it still be linear?
Well,
Yes.
actually,
Yes. If it's increased by 3, for example, then 1 and 4, and then next one must be 7. So we can compare. And then if we increase by 30, then it is linear.
yeah,
Okay,
so
is
like,
this gonna be on the test?
Yes.
like pretty much, guys.
Almost exactly, not exactly same, but very, very similar one that I just asked, number 1 and 2 will be on the test.
But like, not gonna lie, for like linear equations, like it doesn't matter if it's even or not even, just as long as it continues at a constant rate, it's gonna be linear.
Yes. By the way, don't memorize it. Question could be different. So you better understand what's going on here rather than memorizing it. Because if you memorize this and then if you question, if I slightly change it, you will get wrong answer.
Yeah,
So
so
just try to understand this.
yeah, so pretty much all we just gotta, for like the linear equation answers, we gotta pretty much just memorize if it's a constant rate or not.
I'm ready for the next question.
Yes, Chris,
Me
exactly.
too.
Yes. Okay. Now,
Me 3.
Same here,
different
man.
question. Now, possibly this question. Coin A and B have volume 1 second, let me think. Tenpai. But they have different dimension. Dimensions means radius and height. That's dimension, which means that cone A, B, both of them has the same volume, which is 10 pi, but they have a different radius and height. Now, cone A has radius 1 and height 30. Now, find cone B. Find at least, find cone B radius and height. That volume equal 10 pi. By the way, cone volume, there will be 1/3 pi r square h. Use this.
Mr. TK, I'm confused.
Me too.
Okay, I'm gonna wait 2 more minutes and then I will explain. Now, anyone getting it? Send me a message. I'm getting it. Okay, no one sending me answer. Okay, let's do it together. Anyone understand the question?
I get it, but I don't know how to figure it out.
Okay, you get it, but you don't know how to figure it out. And someone said no idea.
Like Mr. TK, like
Okay.
I can like
Okay.
I also understand the problem. It's just like I'm literally thinking of like as much as I can, but I can't even
Yes,
think of a
that's fine.
answer.
I don't get it. I just don't get
Dude.
it.
Yes, look here. Volume
You
of
have
the
to get like
coin.
30, right?
What do you say?
You have to get like 30 without using the same things, or no?
Oh, exactly. Kind of, yes. Kind of, yes. Now look.
Then that's pretty much I
Oh,
cannot.
wait. Guys, my bad. I made a wrong question. Because you cannot make 30.
Yeah, because like even
My
That's
bad.
why I was like,
yeah,
Oh yeah,
because
my
like
bad. My
yeah,
bad.
yeah.
I will change it to 12. Let's retry it. My
Alright.
bad. My bad. Because I just made it. I just made it. My bad. Let's retry it. Yes. I just made it. So
Grab moment.
what that could happen.
real.
Now it makes sense. You can do it. Yes. Good. If you don't still If you don't understand what's going on still, let me know.
Hey, Mr. TK, I sent you my
Yes, I
answer.
gave you a thumbs up.
All right, thank you.
Chris, do you understand what's going on?
Mr. TK, I haven't learned this in my class yet.
Okay. Okay. Chris, do you understand that how to find the cone volume, Chris? No. Did you take a photo of the formula sheet? Yeah, that one. What's the volume set for the cone? Yes, that also correct. Yes. Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Don't worry about it. Again, you need to keep tracking the volume sheet. We are talking about cone. So what's the volume? 1/3 times pi times r square times height. So volume for cone is 1/3 times pi times r square times height. Now, what's the volume right now? 12 pi. So you can just plug it in number right now and figure it out. But I prefer simplify a little bit. And that's the equation. And we learn equation. I'm going to divide by pi to both sides. Then 1/3 times r square times height equal to 12. Now I want to get rid of this 1/3. So I'm going to multiply by 3/1. Then that cancels out. R squared times height equal to 36. So you can, now you need to just think of what makes 36.
Wait, I know
Can-
it. I know it. I know it.
All right, what is it?
Valeria, yes.
Hey,
At
Mr.
the same
TK.
time,
Mr.
no.
freaking
TK,
go.
can I?
No, at the same time, no.
Hey, Mr. TK, can I say the answer?
Yes.
All right. R is 6 and height is 1.
This one works because radius is a 6, then 6 times 6, that's a 36. 36 times 1, 36. So that worked out. Now, another answer, I'm going to use this time Brianna answer. Brianna said radius is a 2, height is 9. Now, let's see why this one works. R squared times h, which is 2 squared times 9. That's 4 times 9, which is 36. Or I can say r equal to 3 and height equal to 4. Why? 3 squared times 4. 3 squared is a 9. 9 times 4, 36. Does that make sense, Valeria?
Wait, this makes so much sense. I'm not Valeria, but this makes sense.
Okay.
Bro.
All right.
Yes.
You're not freaking Valeria.
Again, I just cover almost all the question on the test. So you better review what we just did. And if you want to look at any page number, let me know. And then if you're done, you can leave. That was all the review Zoom meeting. Again, I'm pretty sure 80% of time I'm gonna let you use a note. So you better write this one.
Yes, let me write.